Hello, Professor and class. It is very nice to meet you. My name is Destiny Emily Woodard, and I am a 20-year-old from Chandler, Arizona. I am currently enrolled in the Arizona State University Concurrent Enrollment Nursing Program with Phoenix College. I am very grateful for this opportunity to earn my Bachelor's of Science in Nursing degree through Arizona State University while simultaneously being enrolled at Phoenix College to earn my associate's degree in nursing. I currently work 2 jobs in the healthcare field. I am a certified nursing assistant at Banner Gateway Medical Center and a local memory care. My journey to choosing nursing as a career began when I took a leap of faith and took a class to become a certified nursing assistant while concurrently being a senior in high school. During my first clinical at a senior living facility, I fell in love with the feeling of serving others. At that moment, I truly understood how important and needed bedside care is. Communicating with patients and aiding them in their daily living activities brought joy to my heart. Being able to participate in their care made me feel like I was a part of something bigger than myself. I admired the nurses I had met during my time at clinical for how caring, intelligent, and empathetic they were. They would tell me stories of the good, bad, and ugly scenes they had witnessed and were a part of to show me that it can be a challenging but rewarding job. I came to understand that being a nurse involves using your brain and heart to care for the patients. This experience showed me that nursing is what I was meant to be doing as a career. To be concise, I chose nursing because I love to serve others. Through my experiences in healthcare, I have never felt more like I belonged anywhere else than working with patients in bedside care. Although it can be challenging and stressful at times, being there for the patient on their best day or worst day is rewarding. I love anything challenging that puts my brain to work. A nurse, in my opinion, is someone who is mentally strong enough to overcome every challenge, but soft enough to be empathetic with everyone. That right there is what I can see myself doing the rest of my life. Being a nurse will allow me to feel completely whole and in touch with who I really am inside.